YouTube, welcome to GeekShhh. All right, so this week we're talking about the best screen protector for the iPhone 16. Now, all screen protectors, no matter how inexpensive or expensive, accomplishes the same goal, which is to protect your phone screen in case of the unfortunate event that your phone drops. Now, the difference between the lower quality ones and the higher quality ones is the higher quality ones not only protect your screen when the phone drops, but it also protects itself as well. All right, so how did I get to the conclusion that this is the best screen protector there is? Well, there's a YouTube channel called HighTechCheck. And what this guy did last year was he rounded up 20 to 25 screen protectors and he ran them all through the same exact test. He takes like an 8 or 9 ounce metal ball and then he starts dropping it onto the screen protector. He starts off at like 2 feet, then goes 3, 4, etc., etc. Now, most screen protectors start cracking after 2 to 4 feet. This ESR went all the way up to 8 feet before it cracked. Now, was this the most strongest one that he tested? No, not at all. But the reason why I felt like it was the best one out there because it had the best value. 1 is strong, 2 is under $20, and the third reason it had the best value is because it comes 3 in a pack. You're not gonna beat that. Now, they also stepped it up this year by making the installation process simpler than it's ever been. Now you're gonna get that Apple Store-like installation for way less. So let's go ahead and start the process.
All right, so let's get this done. So like I said, this was the first one that they had ESR came out with. This was the original one. This came out during the 15 Pro, the iPhone 15 era, I believe. But this is the new improved one that they came out with just for the 16 series. I didn't really see them have it for any of the other ones, and they're making it easier. So first, let's open this joint up. All right, boom, there you go. I done ripped the box and everything. Jesus Christ, they really packed that thing in. All right, so in the box, you got a few things. You have, I don't know, some customer care information, easy replacement, scan for setup video. You got the squeegee, so you can squeeze the bubbles off. You shouldn't have any bubbles, but you know, just in case, you got something that's real good to squeeze it off. Then you got what's important, those wet wipes. You know you need the wet wipes. All right, then we got the screens. There go 1. You're getting a real good deal because you're getting 3 of these joints for under $20. I think it's the best deal out. There go the second one, and then the third one is already on there. So it's already placed in place. All you gotta do is put it in there, place the phone down, and then peel it back. So that's the good thing right there. So let's put this to the side and we get this thing started. All right, so let's put the extra ones to the side. First thing first, let me get my phone and I'm going to power down the phone. After you do that, you already know what's next.
Girl, go get your wet wipes. 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 Go get your wet wipes.
You got a little microfiber cloth, but we're gonna use our own. You got a little one right there. All right, so we're gonna pull out, and you got stickers too, but you shouldn't need the stickers. All right, so we're gonna pull off one of these wet wipes. You got 3 in there, 1 for each screen. Pull that open, pull out that wet wipe. All right, so we got the wet wipe out, open this up. Then we're gonna go ahead and screen this phone. Phone kind of dirty, you know what I mean? I only had it for 1 day, but I've been messing around with it a lot today, so. All right, so just clean that phone. Go ahead and give it a good clean. Flip it over, give it a good clean, and then we're going to pull out our microfiber cloth. You can use the one that come with it, but it's better to just use your own microfiber cloth. Just a good clean microfiber cloth. They're real inexpensive. Like my man Flossie Carter be saying, man, just get yourself a good microfiber cloth. And just, you know, it's real inexpensive. Just get one and leave it just for this. All right. So once you do that, I'm gonna turn it over, bring this out, turn it over. So make sure no dust get in there. And they say place it down. All right. You place it down, it can't go nowhere else. This is the perfect fit for it. It can't go nowhere else. So, all right, so you got your phone in here. Right here, it says press down. It says put your whole hand there. Let me go ahead and put my hand, my big ass hand. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tab that's on there. Press that down and pull the tab. And that screensaver just came out. Came out just like that. So hopefully, give it a little second. Hopefully it's all good. There you go, the tab, as well as the little plastic on the screensaver. And give it a little second, let it adhere. And then let's see how it come out. Let's see if we're gonna have to use that squeegee or it's coming out perfect. Let's see. All right. Oh my God. What the hell? Oh, it still has the plastic on the other side, for the other side. That's why. Jeez. All right. All right, so it came out. We still got to use that squeegee. Oh, wait a minute. No. Oh, okay, we got a little bit right there. So let me get that squeegee for a second. Where the hell I put it? It came out pretty good, but just a little bit right there gotta come out. Damn phone turning on because of it. But it came out pretty good.
All right, let me jump in here real quick. So these little imperfections that I'm trying to squeeze out, I noticed after a few hours that it naturally went away on its own. So like around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I picked up my phone, I noticed they were gone. And I stopped squeezing after this video. So it is what it is. If you run into that issue, just wait a few hours and it's gonna be gone on its own.
Well, other than that, it's damn near perfection. Tell you honest truth. Let me give y'all a little, hopefully that's helping y'all. I don't know. Y'all can see it better. It's just a little 2 right here that's not that well. But let me put back on this case and see if everything go well with the case. You definitely need that squeegee though. It's not perfection like that. You definitely gonna need the squeegee. Damn, yeah, that looked good on the, that definitely looked good with the case. It feel good. Let me turn it back on. Clean it while I turn it back on. It almost came out, yo, I ain't gonna hold you. It almost came out perfect. It was just the little 2 little. All right, y'all. So it's been about 2 weeks. Let me clean off my screen real quick. It's been about 2 weeks since that last segment of the video. And I had it on here with literally 0 issues. Let me turn on the phone real quick. It's been real solid. It's been real smooth. Everything, you know, is not hindering me from touching any of the buttons, anything on the screen at all. It's not really giving me no problems. Like I said, those little bubbles that we had over here, it went away after about, I want to say like 2-3 hours. It went away, so it's not on the screen anymore. It went away on its own. Let me go ahead and
Type my passcode in, hold on. All right, so like I said, everything is smooth. I really didn't have no issues since I got it. So as far as did I drop my phone? No, I don't drop my phone like that. I'll be honest with you. I probably drop my phone probably like once or twice a year, if that. You know what I mean? I'm not one to drop my phone. Now, I've seen some people out there, what they'll do is they'll drop their phone on purpose just to test the screen protector. We don't play those type of games over here. We don't play those type of games. You know what I mean? Play stupid games and win stupid prizes. We're not doing that, none of that. But I'm pretty sure everything is going to be good when I do finally drop my phone. But yeah, like I said, everything is smooth. For the last 2 weeks, I never really had an issue where I was trying to press something on the screen and it wasn't pressing. I had zero of those type of issues. One thing I want to point out though, between the case and the screen protector, you might get a little dust over here on the side. But the beautiful thing about it is it's not under the screen protector. So that doesn't really have an issue right there. You're not gonna really have an issue with that, but you can go in there and clean the sides if the dust builds up too much, you know what I mean, and start getting real annoying. So, but other than that, like I said, man, really no issues, man. It's just a solid screen protector. And I mean, I could let y'all know if whenever I do drop my phone, whenever that happens, sooner or later it will happen, but nonetheless, it's a great screen protector. Make sure y'all check out that page that I shouted out, HighTechCheck, I believe, earlier in the video. I'm pretty sure he's gonna do a roundup of all the screen protectors, and I'm pretty sure this one will come out top 3 again, because like I said, man, it's just the value of it is just too insane. It's extremely strong. Under $20, you really can't go wrong. Now, what I'm going to do in a future video is I'm going to talk about cases. I got this case on here right now, and I'm gonna talk about some high-end ones that I feel like is the best cases out there as far as looks wise. I'm gonna talk about that in a future video, as well as this one that I have on my phone. So look out for that video. It'll be coming next week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is DeMarco Payne for GeekShhh. And last but not least, may the good news be yours.